Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this very juicy shawarma. To start with, you are going to chop up some cabbage. If you are looking forward to starting a shawarma business, or you just want to make shawarma from the comfort of your kitchen and still get that juicy, creamy and very yummy shawarma, just like the ones you get from your favorite eatery or restaurant, you want to relax and watch this video to the end because you are going to be getting a 10 out of 10. Like, this recipe is a 10 out of 10. Yes, I said it. Yeah, I chopped some carrots and now I'm going to be dicing my chicken into bite sizes. I'm using chicken breast because it is so tender and it cooks very fast. Some people would say other parts of chicken taste better, so feel free to use any parts of chicken. Make sure to debone them and cut them into bite sizes as well. Am I the only one who doesn't enjoy hot dog in my shawarma? Please let me know in the comment section because I normally don't add hot dogs to my shawarma when I'm the one consuming it, like I'm making it for myself and my loved ones. But if it's for commercial purpose, I always add hot dogs. You guys, I would really appreciate your thumbs up and please engage in the comment section. This would help the YouTube algorithm show my video to more audience. Our chicken is ready. Now I'm going to season with some soya spice and seasoning cubes. You guys, please don't omit soya spice in your shawarma because this is the game changer. Soya spice is going to take your shawarma from a 10 to a 100. Like, I'm not even capping. You are going to mix your chicken with the spice and seasoning cube, ensuring that every piece of chicken is well coated. For my sauce, I'm going to be using this Jago mayonnaise, which is low in cholesterol and very low in calories. I'm going to add in my ketchup. I'm using a measuring scale because I'm trying to keep track of my calorie intake. I will add in my yellow mustard, full cream powdered milk, some honey. Trust me when I say this shawarma sauce is a game changer. I'm going to add some paprika and a little bit of cayenne pepper just for the heat. Lastly, I will add some lemon juice, just a few drops is okay. Mix up this deliciousness and there you have your very yummy shawarma sauce. In my already heated pan, I'm going to drizzle a few drops of vegetable oil. I'm going to add my already seasoned chicken. So you guys, you can also grill your chicken breast or air fry it, okay? It's almost like pan frying this chicken breast because I added just a little amount of vegetable oil. So I'm going to stir this continuously so that it won't burn. When frying, you are going to notice your chicken breast is going to release its own juice. Please ensure to allow it dry completely, okay? At this point, my chicken is ready, well cooked and completely dry. In a clean bowl, you are going to add your veggies. Add in a bit of your shawarma sauce. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm going to add my chicken and add more of the shawarma sauce, then mix everything together. I love to mix mine like this because I want when I bite into my shawarma, I will have a taste of everything. The veggies, the sauce and the chicken is just going to be very juicy and creamy. Please guys, give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done so. Share your thoughts in the comment section and please share the video if you can. I would really appreciate that. Now you are going to get your shawarma bread and gently open it up. You can decide not to open it and use two of these wraps. Layer both wraps just as you can see on your screen. Then you are going to get some of that shawarma sauce and gently spread it on the wraps. Now I'm going to add in the filling. You can add as much as you want or as much as your wrap can take, because you don't want your shawarma filling spilling out of the wraps. After filling, you are going to roll it up like this, just as you are seeing on your screen. Make sure to roll it very tight. Once it's ready, you are going to transfer it to a pan. If you have a shawarma grill, you can use that as well. So you are going to gently cook this like on a low heat. Okay, please don't add any vegetable oil to your pan. Just place it on a clean dry pan and allow it to heat up. You know this is ready when it begins to brown. Please don't allow it to burn. Okay, you just want to slightly cook the wraps. And that's it for the shawarma making, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.